Miss Universe 2015 na si Pia Wurtzbach at award-winning actress na si Marian Rivera agaw pansin sa ginanap na Century Tuna Superbuds 2024. Nito nga lamang Martes ng gabi July 9 ay ginanap na ang Century Tuna Superbuds Finals Night kung saan isa sina Pia Wurtzbach at Marian Rivera sa mga special guest at bigating judges ng competition. Mabilis ngang nag-trending at mainit na pinag-usapan online sina Marian Rivera at Pia Wurtzbach hindi lamang sa pagiging hurado nila sa competition maging sa naging pagrampa nila sa stage na talaga nga namang agaw pansin sa publiko dahil sa nagseseksihan nilang looks at outfits. Marami ding netizens ang pinuri si Marian Rivera dahil umano sa tila walang kakupas-kupas nitong kagandahan at kaseksihan na akala mo nga ay walang anak. Ganoon din si Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach na tila kung gaano nga ito ka-sexy noon ay ganoon pa din hanggang sa ngayon. Narito ating panuurin ang iilang video na naibahagi mula sa ginanap na Century Tuna Superbuds 2024.
Awarded and blockbuster actor, Aga Mula. Award-winning actor and honorable public servant, the iconic Richard Gomez. Completing our judges are these talented women. Century Tuna endorser, UNA's ambassador, and Miss Universe 2015, Pia Wurtzbach Johnson. Together with the GMA Primetime and Box Office Queen. Marian Rivera. Of the night. UNA's ambassador and Miss Universe 2015, Pia Wurtzbach Johnson. With the GMA Primetime and Box Office Queen.
Bakit ang nipis niya? May paborito si
Marian Rivera Dantes. Your judges of the night.
Oh my gosh, the crowd goes wild. The superstars have a line for this momentous evening. I mean, just look at this incredible lineup of supermodels, finalists, and our judges. The competition.
Marian Rivera Dantes. Century Tuna endorser, UNA's ambassador. 2015. Pia Wurtzbach Johnson. Time and box office queen. Marian Rivera Dantes. Winning. Century Tuna endorser, UNA's ambassador, and Miss Universe 2015. Pia Wurtzbach Johnson.
Century Tuna endorser, what unique qualities or values do you believe that the SuperBods 2024 grand winner should have?
Well, personally, we all know that they worked very hard to be here tonight. It's months of training. Even though they've been competing for 3 months already, I can imagine that they have been preparing even way before that. And as somebody who has an off season on season 2, I know it's really hard to get into shape. It's commitment. It's waking up every day and telling yourself, I'm gonna do it, even though you don't feel like it. Because the reality is they don't wake up feeling like fighters every day, but they fight that feeling and they show up. What I'm looking for though is somebody with relatability and somebody with a really good story. Because nakuha na nila yung magandang physique eh. But it's convincing people to also be their best selves. So, someone who's relatable, someone who has a nice comeback story, yung magko-connect sa mga tao, and so that they can also get into their own fitness journey and be their best you ever.
I would agree with that. Thank you. Consistency, authenticity is a great story. That's key. Thank you for that.
Lahat ng ginagawa nila, of course, headed by our bosses from Century Tuna. And hindi biro yung pinagdaanan nila. So I want to personally thank them for their dedication. And this is it. Tonight is the night. This is their night. Andito lang ako to support them. I want to congratulate all of them. Win or lose, I think lahat tayo uuwi dito with a learning and newfound friendships, of course, new memories, and maybe a better version of ourselves. So thank you for allowing me to witness your journey. And ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. I'm excited to see kung sino yung magiging next SuperBod. But before this day ends, thank you also for coming. Again, for welcoming me to the family. Thank you to our hosts, our judge. And yeah, congratulations and good luck, everyone.
A very good message from our